Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Adabistan-e-Soophia online classes. Today I'm going to start my second lecture of class 9 mathematics, which is based on factorization. In our previous lecture we have done exercise 5.1. Now we will start exercise 5.2 in this lecture. Its first question is to factorize x4 plus 1 over x4 minus 3. How to factorize this question? Actually, we will make it a complete square. To make it a complete square, we split this number, which is minus 3, as minus 2 into minus 1. So we try to make it a complete square, as x4 can be written as x square whole square plus 1 over x4 can be written as 1 over x square whole square, and 2 can be written as minus 2 into x square into 1 over x square, because x square is cancelled out with x square and it remains with minus 2 and minus 1 as it is. So this whole expression becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is equal to a minus b whole square, and 1 can be written as minus 1 whole square. So now we apply the formula a square minus b square, because this is of the form of a square minus b. This is a and 1 is here b. So we apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this will become a plus b and a minus b. A is here a square minus 1 over x square minus 1 over x square, and 1 is here b, so a minus b. So this is the complete factorization of such type of question. Now our next question is 3x4 plus 12x4. To make its factorization, first of all 3 is common in both the terms, so I will take 3 common, and the values inside the bracket are x4 plus 4x4. Now x4 can be written as x square whole square, and 4 can be written as 2y square whole square plus 2x square into 2y square. This value actually we have added, and so by subtracting, whenever we add any value in the expression, we also subtract the same value from the expression. To make this value a perfect square, we add 2ab and subtract 2ab. 2 to the 4, 4xy added, and 4x square y square subtracted. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, so this is a plus b whole square, so we can write it as a square plus b square whole square, and 4xy can be written as 2xy whole square. So this whole expression becomes 3 into a square minus b square. So again we apply the formula a square minus b square, which can be written as a plus b, a minus b. So rearranging these values, we have x square plus 2xy plus 2y square and x square minus 2xy plus 2y square. So this is the complete factorization of such type of question. Now we go to the next question, question number 2. This is x square plus 14x plus 48. In this type of question, we always try to make its midterm breaking. So we have to break this term 14x. So we break it as 6x plus 8x, where 6x plus 8x can be written as 14x and 6 into 8 is equal to 48. So we have make the factors of 48 whose sum is 14 and product is 48. So this is the midterm breaking of 14x. Now there are 4 terms. Taking x square common from the first 2 terms, taking x square x common, so x plus 6, and 8 common from the second pair, so taking 8 common, so x square plus 6. Now there are 2 terms, this and this, so taking x plus 6 common, and we have x plus 8 inside. So this is the factorization of such type of question. Now the next question is x square minus 21x plus 108. Now we have to make the factors of 108 whose sum is 21 and product is 108. So we have 9 and 12 such numbers whose product is 108 and their sum is 21. So we write 21 as 9x and 12x. Because there is a negative sign, so we write negative sign with both the terms. Now take x common from first 2 terms and 12 common from the second pair. We have minus 12, and whenever we write minus over here, change the sign of the second term. So this is minus 9, because minus 12 minus 12 into minus 9 is plus 108. Now x minus 9 is common, so taking x minus 9 common from these 2 terms, we have x minus 9, x minus 12. So this is the factorization. The next question is 42. Now we have to make the factors of 42 whose difference, if there is a negative sign, so we have to make such factors whose difference is this 11 and whose product is 42. If there is a plus sign, then their sum must be this. If there is a plus sign, so their sum is 14. Now there is a negative sign, so 14 and 3 are the factors, and 14 minus 3 is 11, and 14 3s are 42. So we make 3x minus 14x. We can write as minus 14x plus 3x. So taking x common from these 2 terms and minus 14 from these 2 terms, we have this factorization. Now take x plus 3 common from these 2 terms. So the remaining part of question number 2 can be easily solved by this method, and the same question number 3 is also can be solved by applying this method. Now we go to the next question, question number 4. The first part is x square plus 5x plus 4 into x square plus 5x plus 4. In such type of questions, we always substitute the value which is same in both brackets, like x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x is common in both the brackets, so we take x square plus 5x as y. So by substituting the value against x square plus 5x as y in both the brackets, we have y plus 4 and y plus 6, and minus 3 remains the same. Now multiplying these 2 brackets, we have y square plus 4y plus 6y plus 24, y into y, which is y square, y into 6, which is 6y, 4 into y, which is 4y, 4 into 6, which is 24, and minus 3 as it is. Now adding 6 and 4, we have 10y, and 24 minus 3, which is 21. Now we have y square plus 10y plus 21. We again apply question number 2 type of factorization. Now we take the factors of 21 whose sum is, because the plus sign over here, so whose sum is 10. So there are two factors 3 and 7 whose sum is 10 and their product is 21. Now we have 3y plus 7y equal to 21. Taking y common, we have y into y plus 3, and taking 7 common, we have 7 into y plus 3. Now taking y plus 3 common, we have y plus 3, y plus 7, but in our question there is no y variable, so we substitute the value of y, which is x square plus 5x. So we substitute the value of y over here, which is x square plus 4y. So putting x square plus 5x plus 33 and x square plus 5x plus y against the value of y. By putting the value of y, we have this expression. So this is the factorization of such type of question. Our next question is this one: x plus 4 into x minus 5 into x plus 6 into x minus 7 minus 504. Now we have to make the pairs whose sum is the same. Like if we add 4 and minus 5, we have minus 1, and 6 and minus 7, we have minus 1. 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1, 6 minus 7 equal to minus 1. So we multiply these two factors and these two factors. Multiplying x plus 4 with x minus 5, we have x square plus 4x minus 5x minus 20. And multiply x plus 6 with x minus 7, we have this expression. So by adding these two values, we have minus x, and by adding these two values, we have minus x. Now in this expression, we have x square minus x and x square minus x, the same values like the previous question. So we again substitute this value as y. So putting the value as y, so we have y minus 20 and y minus 42. Now multiplying these two brackets, we have y square minus 20y and minus 42y plus 20 into 42 is 840 minus 504 as it is. Now adding these two values, we have minus 62, and subtracting these two values, we have 336. Again we have to apply question number 2 over here, midterm breaking. Make the factors of 336 whose sum is 62. So we have make two factors 56 and 6 whose sum is 62. Now we break this term 62 as minus 6y and minus 56y. Now we have taken common y from this, y minus 6 minus common and 56 common, we have y minus 6. So these are the same brackets. So taking y minus 6 common, so y minus 6 into y minus 56, again putting the value of y in it, we have which is x square minus x. We have x minus 6 minus x minus 6 and x square minus x minus 56. Uh, Now we again apply the midterm breaking method over here in both the brackets. We make the factors of 6 whose difference is 1. So we make plus 2x minus 3x minus 6, and the factors of 56, which are 7 and 8. So plus 7x minus 8x minus 56, taking x common and minus 3 common over here, we have x plus 2 x minus 3, and x common from these two terms and minus 8 common from these two terms, we have x plus 7. So this is the complete factorization of this type of question. Now you can easily solve this exercise 5.2 by applying the method discussed over here. Inshallah, in our next lecture we will try to solve exercise 5.3. Till then, Allah Hafiz.